If you've been following along with our Off the Grid and Prepper series, you may have started to do some research into purchasing a new property, or if you already have purchased a property, how are you going to prepare to go stay there? Well, first of all, you're going to want to look at the surrounding resources near your property. This is going to include things such as a waste disposal site, where to go for food, water, and even fuel. So, where can you find the nearest dump station and why is it important? Simply go to www.sanidumps.com to find out how close the nearest waste disposal site is located in comparison to your property. Disposing of human waste is highly regulated, and you're not going to want to end up with any of those hefty fines. Dumping your gray water and black water holding tanks may not be the most fun job you will have on your property, but it sure is an important one. So, what about cooking? Do you have an RV, or will you be preparing your food over an open fire? A camping stove? Setting up a grill? Once you decide what works best for you, it's good to know where to find the nearest location to get wood or propane. It's also good to be prepared for medical emergencies. Ensure you know the closest medical facilities in relation to your property. In addition, be prepared with some basic medical supplies such as a first aid kit. We've prepared an RV maintenance and safety checklist as well as an essentials checklist for your convenience. Just go to the video description to download your own copy or email us at invest@landcentral.com. Still looking for your dream property? Don't worry, we have monthly new property releases, so continue to check back or sign up for new property alerts at www.landcentral.com.